Hi everyone, it's Bouncing Fig here. We are again going through another rice series and I am at Damansara, Kim, not so far from the Curve or Ikano or even KL, and this is one of my favorite places to come to for Nasi Kukus, which means steamed rice, and it is with ayam dara, which means young chicken, so basically a chicken that's very tender, and usually it's with rice and a curry sauce. This one's with pineapple. It is my absolute favorite. There's always a line here. It's almost lunchtime, so let's go and get some. Terbaik.
Okay.
Selalu datang ke?
Dulu saya datang, aku tak datang, cuti. Saya datang.
Selalu datang. Okay, so Bouncing Fig already has her nasi kukus with ayam dara. I've got the works. I've got the chicken feet, the sambal, extra sambal, and Kakak actually gave me an extra hot chicken leg. Deep fried chicken leg is absolutely delicious. I can't wait to get into it. Time to dig into my nasi. Look at how crispy. You've got all the spices and marinade, which makes the chicken super tasty. And it's huge, and everything is just 6 ringgit and 50 cents. Super worth it. I think it's one of the best Malay-style curry sauces you will ever try. It is spicy but really smooth and absolutely flavorful. There's a lot of curry leaves. You need a bite of refreshing cucumber. And if you love the chicken so much, you're gonna the juices are coming out of it. It's delicious. You can see that they actually put pineapple in their curry, which gives it a nice sweet taste. So it's a good balance of sweets, a bit of sour, tangy. And if you're like me, I had the chicken feet. Tasty, really gelatinous with the rice. I really recommend you guys to come here early. Try and make it here by 11:30 because it's just a huge line. One of the best fried chickens you'll ever try. Super tasty, and the chili is the bomb. They call it sambal belacan, which is just chilies and a special concoction of shrimp paste. Man, it's the bomb. They really know how to make it here. Boy. That was a really spicy meal. So I went to to the shop nearby and I got something cold to drink, and it's one of my favorite childhood drinks. It's called Kikapu Joy Juice, so really delicious. It's a bit Mountain Dew-ish, but hey, I really need something to cool my mouth after that fantastic curry. Woo! Woo! If that's not enough, I got myself a bit of chocolate because it is quite spicy. I found myself a little bit of Kit Kat. I don't know, cookies and cream. Geez, that will do, I think.